What are test cases? Test cases are instructions for testers to ensure programs are functioning properly. They describe how the software should work in normal, abnormal, or error operating conditions. Test case writing converts user requirements into a set of test conditions and descriptions that indicate how a system is functioning. In an automated test script, more than one test case can combine to form a test suite. Why are these important? Test cases are essential in software testing because they help in identifying defects and bugs in the software application. They also ensure that the software application is reliable and performs as expected. Test cases are also used to ensure that the software application meets the user's needs and expectations. The best practices professionals prefer for well-written test cases are: 1. Make test cases reusable and maintainable wherever possible. Your needs will vary depending on the software, application, or specific features you're testing. However, you can save time and energy by consciously creating test cases that are reusable and easy to maintain. 2. Create test cases with the end user's perspective in mind. Remember throughout the test case writing process that you're trying to step into the user's place. Aligning your exploratory testing methods with the user's perspective will help you create efficient and relevant software application test cases. Follow CDPL for more tips.